Many have shared that weather sensitivity is something that you struggle with and wish that there was something you could do to relieve the migraine attack. Follow along as Isa from Good Days program demonstrates the ear massage that was created by Dr. Jun Sato.
Step 1. Lightly pinch both ears with thumbs and index fingers and pull upward for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step 2. Pinch and pull sideways and rotate 5 times backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Step 3. Fold in half, upper part and earlobe together for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step 4. Cover with palm, lightly press, and rotate 5 times backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Voila!
Share with us if the ear massage has been helpful in providing some weather-related migraine relief in the comments section. Bookmark this video to watch again in the future.